no more. The amount of times I got them phone calls. Too fly to a hotel. Too fly need a encore. Like I ain't got nothing against you. I'm trying to
There's a dish called volcano chicken that I used to always order from my local teriyaki spot, so today we're gonna make it at home and even better. First step is to prep your dry batter and wet batter using cornstarch, egg, salt, and black pepper. Then we're gonna make our volcano sauce using some buffalo sauce, brown sugar, garlic, and so much more. Then we take our chicken, dip it into the dry, then into the wet, and fry until golden brown. Toss it in the sauce so everything is glazed evenly and it's ready to enjoy over a bed of rice or some veggies. Okay, so I never got over the Panera frozen mac and cheese scandal, so today we're gonna learn how to make it at home and even better. First step is to make our roux, so we're gonna add some flour and butter. Then we'll whisk in half and half along with dry mustard powder, garlic powder, black pepper, a dash of nutmeg, and some salt. Whisk again, and then we're gonna add some sharp white cheddar, Monterey Jack, cream cheese, and grated Parmesan. Mix all that up until it's super smooth and creamy. For the pasta, cook whatever shape you like in salted water and toss it in the sauce. Finally, our last step is to enjoy.